Hi, today I've read a few Motorola Moto G23 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. To use the Dolby Sounds app, just click here to the section. If you want to change media, call, ringtone, notification and alarm volume just level, you should just hold and slide to the left or to the right side. These dots on each of the volume panel. If you want to use the don't disturb mode, just click here to turn it on to turn itself to allow the messages, SMS and calls from any people's apps and alarms. You should just make it here. Also, we can set the schedule for the don't disturb mode. Just let's go back. If you want to change phone ringtone for SIM 1 or SIM 2, you should do it here. To use the live captions, just click on the switcher to turn them off or turn them off. Just to pin media player or to show media recommendations, you should also tap to the switchers to activate the options. In vibration and haptics section, we should also use the switchers to just change these settings. Let's go back to change default notification sound and alarm sounds. You should just tap on this section and select one from these available sounds. And to turn on or turn off the dial button, screen lock, unlock sounds, charging sounds and vibration touch sounds, and power on or power off sounds, we should tap on the switchers. And to always show icon in vibration mode, you should just tap also to the switcher. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our Motorola device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.